This is demo 3. You can see I've commented out a lot of these lines just so that I can talk about one line at a time and run it one line at a time. So we start out with x being 30 and y being 12. So a place in memory called y and a 12 in it, a place in memory called x and a 30 in it. And then we want to print out x plus y equals x plus y. So we're expecting here to see 30 plus 12 equals 42. And that's not what we get. Why is that? Because these are all concatenation, not addition. So when we get to here, it prints out 30 plus 12 equals, and then the next thing it prints out is the value of x, which is 30, followed by the value of y, which is 12. That wasn't what we wanted. So on this line, it's almost the same, except we put the x plus y in parentheses. And you'll remember from your math, anything done in parentheses is done first. So this x plus y, which is addition, will be done before that plus, which is concatenation. So now we're expecting to see x plus y equals 42. And there we go. 30 plus 12 equals 42. So it did the addition first before it did the concatenation. So in a similar manner, we have here subtraction, and we put it in parentheses, so we're expecting the subtraction to come first before the concatenation. And there you go, it did the subtraction, and then it output the value, which was the 18. But what happens if I miss out the parentheses? Let's run it and find out. Oh, I have an error message, and that's because it can get as far as outputting the x, but then it has a minus sign and it doesn't know what to do with it. So you need the parentheses when you're trying to do the arithmetic first, if it's addition or subtraction. But not multiplication. Look at this line. So I'm able to do the multiplication before the concatenation, and that's because there is a hierarchy, just as there is in math, and the multiplication comes before the concatenation, just like the multiplication comes before addition in math. So let's run this and verify that that line is okay. So it is 30 multiplied by 12 does equal 360. Let's just take a look at the next line. "30 divided by 12 equals 2. And that's maybe not what you expected. But this is integer division because it's one integer divided by another. X is an integer, y is an integer. When I divide an integer by an integer, I get an integer result. So how many 12s are there in 30? There are 2. We probably would have liked it to be 2 point something, but integer division says that there are 2 12s in 30.